How to set up iCloud backup in iOS 18.1. Hey there! In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to set up iCloud backup and ensure your information is secure. Let's get started. First, go to Settings and tap General. Select Software Update. Make sure you're running iOS 18.1. Go back to Settings and tap your name at the top. If you're not signed in, enter your Apple ID and password. Tap iCloud in your Apple ID menu. Review the apps and data categories enabled for iCloud. Scroll down and tap iCloud Backup. Toggle the iCloud Backup switch to on. Review which apps are included in your backup by tapping Manage Storage Backups. Toggle off apps you don't need to save space. Ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, as backups require Wi-Fi. Tap Backup now to create an immediate backup. Wait until the progress bar completes to confirm your backup is successful. After that, return to the iCloud Backup menu and verify the last successful backup date and time. If you run out of iCloud space, upgrade your storage plan. And that's it. Your iCloud backup is now set up in iOS 18.1, ensuring your data stays safe and accessible. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more iOS tutorials. See you next time.